Hey guys, I am Favorite effect in Photoshop. Let's get started now. The first four, copy the layers and select you can and actually select and my bad actually
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. So speaking fast, I can roll, I can gas. Think I'm okay last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got one's help. Did all myself.
Please control shift key for the layers. Please guys subscribe on Favorite Pixels and complete the 5,000 subscribers in Favorite Pixels. Please guys, please click that and please subscribe to Favorite Pixels and anytime supporting for Favorite Pixels and please complete the 5,000 subscribers in Favorite Pixels. Please. Thank you for voting me and thank you guys. Love you.